At the request of a lot of our customers, we've looked into some financing options. So we're coming out of COVID. We've got fall coming here, winter weather, tire shortages, things like that really, if you've got maintenance that you've been putting off, repairs that you want to do, we've had a lot of requests to find great options for financing. So we found one, did a lot of research, and we've got a great option. Number one, it's got a really high approval rate. So a lot of our customers can get access to this. We've got 90 days all the way up to 12 months as an option for 0% interest deferred, which is a great option. So maybe you don't want to spend the money now, you want to spend it in the spring. You take advantage of 6 months and now you pay it off in March and you've got your stuff that you need now and pay the bills later. That is a nice option as well. And the ease of the program is super simple. We're able to text you an application, you fill it out. We don't have to ask you any questions that are personal. We don't have to get any personal information. It's secure and it tells you exactly what the options are for payments, and we're able to work out details to make sure that it fits your budget as well before you accept the terms. So it's a great plan. We love it. Come over, check us out. If you got any questions, we can even do that over the phone. We can send you that text message for you to be able to apply over here at Carz in Machesney Park.
877-4277